Today we're going to be looking at how to convert kilograms into grams. So if you're unsure of how to convert kilograms into grams or you need a refresher, this is the video for you. So in question number 1, we're being asked to convert 5 kilograms into grams. So looking up top here, we can see our conversion, and 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. So when we're converting kilograms into grams, we're going to be multiplying the value of our kilograms by 1,000. So for question number 1, we're being asked to convert 5 kilograms. So we're going to be multiplying 5 times 1,000, or we're making 5 equal groups of 1,000. Well, that's going to give us 5,000 in total. So when we convert 5 kilograms into grams, we get 5,000 grams. So now we're going to move on to question number 2, where this time we're being asked to convert 7 35/100ths of a kilogram into grams. Now, this one isn't going to be quite as straightforward as our first question, but there is a little trick that can help us here. So returning back to our first question, we started out with 5 kilograms. Well, anytime that you have a whole number, there is a decimal to the right of the whole number. We typically just don't write it because it's not necessary all the time, but it is there. So the little trick is, whenever we're multiplying something by 1,000, we can do this by simply moving the decimal place 3 places to the right and then filling in the empty spots with zeros. So in this case, we can see that when we did this, it gives us the same answer of 5,000 that we got up top here. So now let's do this same thing for 7 35/100ths to convert the kilograms into grams. We're going to move the decimal place once, twice, and 3 times, and then we're going to fill that empty spot with a 0. So that gives us 7,350. So when we convert 7 35/100ths of a kilogram into grams, we get 7,350 grams. So hopefully by now you understand how to convert kilograms into grams. Help make math less complicated by smashing those like and subscribe buttons. As always, enjoy today's math journey.